I'm about to save you so much money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I used ChatGPT to help me find $800 a month. Actually, no, ChatGPT helped me find $800 that me and my family were literally throwing in the trash. But first, hello, my name is Janie Boo. This channel is called Rich on Repeat, and it is dedicated to help making saving your money cool and fun. It's about manifesting and building your wealth and getting and keeping that money. A little background on me, I am a mom. I have a 15-year-old daughter. Me and my husband both work corporate jobs, and it really just feels like all the money that we make just slips through our fingers and we can't seem to hold on to any of our money. So we got sick and tired of being sick and tired, and I know that you are too. You want to see your money grow instead of your debt grow, so you're in the right place. Here I am at work, I'm plugging away and I'm using ChatGPT to help me organize a budget for the office. And then a thunderbolt hits me. Start thinking, you know what? How can I use ChatGPT to help me and organize my budget? How can I have ChatGPT help me find money? Well, then I started thinking about all of the money that we waste on food and how much food we end up throwing in the trash can because we are not shopping with purpose. Figuring out what you and your family are gonna eat day to day. Like for me, it's a humongous burden. I'm so busy and I'm so tired at the end of my day, at the end of my week. We don't do it. So what happens is that my husband, God bless him, he goes to the supermarket and he does the shopping for us. He ends up buying, kind of like what he thinks we need, what he thinks we want, thinking about meals that we typically make, and it kind of makes us get into a rut. We end up buying extras of things that we don't need because we haven't taken the time to see what we actually have in our refrigerator, what we have in our pantry, and then we get sick of things. You start thinking let's just do DoorDash. Let's go out to eat, or ooh, this is boring, or I don't want this. Well, my friends, that stops today. Using a very simple prompt for ChatGPT, I was able to slash my $400 a week grocery bill to $200. And on top of that, I had a weekly meal plan that was fun, new, exciting, using the things that I already like, that my family already likes. So you're not wasting any money. It's no more and no less than you need. Let me explain. Okay, so I was at work, I was using ChatGPT, and then I started thinking about, okay, how is this gonna help me with my grocery meal? And I was like, okay, let me put some information into ChatGPT, and I will leave for you guys my exact prompt that I used in the description box below, and you can plug in your information. Just save it in your notes app on your phone, and then when you're ready to use it, to put it into ChatGPT, you can use it. So I plugged in to ChatGPT with this prompt: the amount of people in my family, of course, we're a family of 3, the types of food that we like to eat, my budget that I wanted to stick to, which was $200 a week instead of $400 a week. I asked ChatGPT to give me a 7-day meal plan using this information, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, for the stores that I like to shop. For example, me and my family like to shop at Trader Joe's. So I said, ChatGPT, please give me a 7-day meal plan for a family of 3. We want breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, and a dessert each day for $200 a week. I would also like the meals to be healthy and high in protein. And I would even like the meals, if possible, to be between 300 and 500 calories per serving. You can get as specific to your needs as you want with this thing. And within seconds, it spit out a 7-day meal plan for me that was amazing. And if I didn't like one of the meals, I would just tell ChatGPT, no tofu, or please give me a vegetarian option one night, or no salmon, I want all, steak and chicken instead. Whatever your preferences are, ChatGPT will recalculate it until it's perfect for you. Then you guys, then you can ask ChatGPT to create a grocery list for you broken down by category. So it'll put all of like the meat and the seafood, it'll put all of the fruit together, it'll put the vegetables together, the pantry items, the spices. And in addition, you can ask it to break everything down by cost. So now you will have a grocery list that is broken down by category with the cost of each item next to it. Hey everyone, if you're getting something from this video, if you are finding value, then go ahead and give it a like. It means the world to me. And also consider subscribing because we have the most amazing supportive community. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. You can copy and paste that again and put it in your notes app on your phone. And when you go to the supermarket, you're not bouncing around from aisle to aisle. You go section by section. So it's really easy to find things, and you can check it by cost to what ChatGPT is saying that it costs. So let's say now you need to get pasta sauce and ChatGPT says the pasta sauce is about $4 within your budget. Well, you can go and take a look at the pasta sauce and maybe there's a sale. Maybe you can get something for better, a little bit more, a little bit less. This gives you that guide so you are not going into the market blind. You know exactly how much money you should be approximately spending per item, and you know exactly what you're buying. You have a meal plan, so you're not wondering day to day, what's for dinner, what's for lunch, what's for breakfast, and it's 100% catered to you. But here is the best part. The best part is that it is going to save you $200 every 7 days. That is the best part. $200 every 7 days, $800 a month, going right back into your pocket where it belongs because now you have a plan. You are not going into the market blind, and now you are living and shopping with intention. This has been such a game changer for me. You guys, give me a green heart if you're feeling inspired in the comments below, and let me know how much your weekly grocery budget typically is and how much this would be saving you. And that brings me to a challenge for you. I would like for you to do this for 7 days and stick to it. You need to be consistent and you need to stick to it every single day. And then again, come back and let me know how much you saved. Okay, don't forget that prompt is in the description box below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you have a tip for me that is a total game changer, also please leave that for me in the comments below. I love this community. This is the most amazing community, and I love that we are doing this together. And until the next video, bye.